Hello, my name is Neil Kelly from Sonaspection. I'm here today to show us one of our demonstration kits. What the student gets is 10 samples. Each sample has one defect per plate. The student also gets a macro section, which again shows the student what it looks like in a macro section. The student will also get a radiographic booklet that shows the defects under radiography. The benefits for the Sonaspection kit is the student gets 10 plates with 10 different defects. It comes in a portable box and the student can learn characterisation of different defects for different NDT methods. Sonaspection also offer a lightweight 3D printed kit. Lightweight is 3.5 kilos. Again, the kit offers 10 samples, each sample with a defect. One of the defects is the surface porosity. As you can see, the print is excellent and each one comes with a Sonaspection logo and an identification number.